Hello, today we want to learn together what is the alpha Cronbach and everything about the alpha Cronbach theory and calculation. The alpha Cronbach has a very famous formula. The alpha is equal to k, the number of the sample, divided by the k minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus the sigma of the variance divided by the variance. But what is this and how is calculated and what does it mean? Uh, in the website of the State IDRE by Point UCLA, it's explained that the Cronbach alpha is a measure of internal consistency, that is how closely related a set of items are as a group. It is considered to be measure of a scale reliability. A high value for alpha does not imply that the measure unidimensional. If in addition to measuring internal consistency, you wish to provide evidence that the scale in question is unidimensional, addition analysis can be performed. Exploratory factor analysis is one method of checking dimensionality. Technically speaking, Cronbach alpha is not a statistical test. It is a coefficient of reliability or consistency. Cronbach alpha can be written as a function of a number of test items and the average intercorrelation among the items. Below, for a conceptual purpose, we show the formula for Cronbach alpha. And it has a formula. In this formula, the n is equal to the number of the items. The c bar is the average of inter items covariance among the item, and the v bar is equal to the average of a variance. But I would like to find a very good functional that I can use it today. See, here I would like to use the good formula that I am looking for it. The meaning of the Cronbach alpha, it's near to 1, more than 0.9, it means excellent. Between 0.9 and 0.8, it means good. Between 0.8 and 0.7 is acceptable, and between 0.6 and 7 it means questionable. Between 0.6 and 0.5 it means poor, and less than 0.5 this is unacceptable. Okay, is it this is by video. Now we go to the Arman. Okay, on the Wikipedia there is a lots of this is a more frequently used version of the formula. This formula, I'm looking for it to explain about that. This is the observed covariance, or these are the lots of formula I don't looking for. Two equivalent cognitive, these are not useful for us. Relationship with a split half tau equivalent reliability, these are also not good for me. Cronbach is 1951, the history, I'm not looking for it. Method to increase reliability. Despite the cost associated with increasing reliability discussed above, a high level of reliability may be required. The following methods can be considered to increase reliability: before data collection, after data collection. There is some methods that is explained on the Wikipedia. But a statistic how to this is also not good, but I find a very good video here on the YouTube. You see, I decrease
studying, and so they create.
I decrease the voice. If, for example, we have 20 questions. If we have 20 questions on our questionnaire, and we have 14% that answer our questions, and they get the point to us from 1 to 5 here. And you can also find this video on the YouTube by the page of Math Help Fast. And we have this formula. We can get the point of the k. The k is 20 here because we have a 20 question. The k minus 1 is a 19. Why? Because we have 20 minus 1 is 19. It's written here sigma of a variance. Okay, we can put on the Excel is inter equal variance, and the Excel is coming up. Okay, what is the variance? Until the end of the point of the every column, we get the variance, and we drag the Excel here. We find the variance of every column. Then we get the sum of that here. When we get the sum of every column here, we put it on this part here. For the sum of the x, not the y, we get the sum of the y, y column here, and this is a variance of the x, and the x is this point, the x point. For the sum of the x, we should come here on the empty column here, and we put the x here. We should get the sum of the, for example, 1 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 here, and this is a 14, and then get the sum of them here. I should go here to fast. You see, this is the sum of them here, and then finally variance of them here. Okay, when we find the variance, put the formula on the end of that. Find this video, Math Help Fast, by the Cronbach Alpha Excel, and it's so useful for the calculation. Another thing that helps us to understand and a lots of definition, because on the YouTube is also a lots of formula, is this one. If you want to go to theory, this is a part 2. Comes to the how to state. How to state what is the Cronbach Alpha explained simply. You see, if you want to learn the theory of the Cronbach Alpha, comes to how to state Google subscription, and it's explained also very easily by the theory. I hope that my video helps you to can summarize and learn more easier. Thank you so much for your attention and have a good time. Bye bye.